Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show you how to access the new look Gmail. Let's see how to do this. You need to enable the updated version manually. To do this, click the settings cog at the right corner of your Gmail inbox. Then click on Try the new Gmail. That's it. You can now start diving into the new stuff. So, what is the new stuff of which we speak? A new look inbox can be a bit baffling at first, but Google has done a good job in keeping everything in pretty much the same place it was before. Hover over an email, and there is now a snooze button, so you can temporarily remove emails from your inbox, then have them reappear at the top of your inbox for the time you set. On the right side, you will also notice a new bar that integrates services like Calendar, Google Keep, and Tasks, and gives you the option to quickly add third-party add-ons to your Gmail. Clicking the icons in this bar rolls the selected app out into a thin pane, letting you use Calendar, Keep, whatever while still working with your Gmail inbox. You will also see that you can access attachments directly from the inbox screen without having to unravel long conversations thread. On this front, the new confidential mode is the star feature. It allows you to send individual messages with two-factor authentication, so your recipient requires an SMS confirmation to open them. You can also set expiry dates on these emails so that the recipient receives a time-limited link to the email in question. For even more security, you can control a recipient's rights to forward, download, copy, and even print your email, blocking them if you are sending them secrets you'd rather not have shared. Gmail has introduced new spam and scam protection features in the new update too. When you chuck emails into the spam folder, Gmail will now ask whether you want it to try and unsubscribe you from the sender's mailing list, which is thoughtful. Also, if Gmail detects that you are never opening emails from certain regular senders, it will not ask if you want to block that sender. So, these are the new features in new Gmail update. If you want to go back to your old Gmail version, then simply click in the settings cog and click on Go back to classic Gmail. Now you back to your old classic Gmail. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.